Buying children's play equipment for the garden is becoming more and more expensive. In today's video we're going to show you how we created a handmade wooden sandpit for our little one on a budget. This was one of the projects in the garden this week, as well as building a new raised bed. Once we collected the materials, we measured and squared up the corner supports. When cutting, we used a circular saw to speed up the process, but a handsaw would have done just as well. Always remember, no matter your size, make sure you use the right safety equipment. We then repeated the process for the sides of the sandpit. We'll put a breakdown of the measurements in the description below in case you want to try it yourselves. Before screwing the parts together, we drilled some pilot holes to make sure we didn't split the sides and to help drive the screws straight. We then used an old recycled tarp to line the sides and bottom, which we stapled to the frame. Our garden is on a slope, so I had to dig and level the frame. Once level, we could add the sand. We used 15 20-litre bags to fill our 4-foot square sandpit to a depth of 9 inches. To make the cover, I cut some wood to size and covered it with a couple of old waterproof tablecloths. Finally, it was time for the big reveal, and it looks as though we've got one happy customer. If you've enjoyed our video today and want to see what else we have to offer, why not click subscribe and check out our other growing family garden videos. See you later.